Congratulations, Yashika. How are you feeling after getting into your dream?
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm feeling great.
So tell me, how was your reaction of your family's reaction? What was about that?
I think when I move out of the center, I saw everyone and everyone has a very, a confused face. And I was the only one smiling and cheering there. कि इतना तो easy paper था, सब वैसे क्यों हो रहे हैं? And then I saw my mother, and then my mother saw me coming happily out of the center. She was my mother and my father. Both of my parents were continuously with me from the very beginning of my journey. My mother used to sit with me and ask me questions about GK. She used to, Google multiple questions about the related topics. And my mother has been one of my biggest supporter throughout the journey.
So amazing to know. And now that you're finally, gotten into your NLU, they must have been so relaxed. कि हाँ जो हमने questions Google किए थे, जो भी हमारी मेहनत थी, हमारी भी मेहनत रही है, and
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
fruitful now.
Yes, ma'am. My mother and father both are now on the top of the world. मेरे पापा जब मैं घर गई, he said, तेरी माँ तो गंगा नहा ली. They both were so happy that you have now given your best and you have done your maximum efforts, and now whatever the result has to be doesn't matter. You have given your best now.
Definitely. Now you are in your dream NLU, so you actually did your best, and that's why you
Yes,
are here,
ma'am.
right? So Yashika, I just got that point that when you said that सब normal थे और मैं ही smile कर रही थी, because there were so diverse reactions जो मैंने
Yes,
भी note
ma'am.
किए वो ये थे कि they were like confused, I cannot say, but I have realized कि LPT के students they were so relaxed after seeing कि अच्छा ये paper है. So what was your reaction जब paper आया आपको group
When I saw the paper, I thoroughly went through it, and the first reaction was, "ये क्या है?" To be very honest, I was kind of really in a mood of rage throughout the paper कि ये कैसा पेपर दे दिया, इस पेपर के लिए इतने साल इतनी देर से पढ़ रहे थे क्या. So the one section, the analytical one, that everyone was a bit confused about. When I saw that, I laughed it off. Because in the LPT mocks, the A-Lit mocks that we have given, we have that analytical portion, and in the A-Lit mocks, the questions were of much higher order. So it was a bit easy for me. But when I started making it, I got it. Okay, so इसमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. तो I attempted it once at the beginning and then I left it कि अच्छा ये नहीं हो रहा है, तो उसको बाद में करती हूँ.
You should know कब आगे move on करना है, because students एक ही question को लेके इतना बैठ जाते हैं that फिर वो time और वो सब track नहीं कर पाते.
Yes, ma'am.
That's nuts. Okay, so coming to the point कि जब आपने बोला कि इतना हम ये क्या दे दिया इन लोगों ने, तो it's true, right? क्योंकि LPT में आपके advanced mocks हो रहे हैं, आपके regularly all sets of mocks हैं, and students are so prepared कि toughest से toughest आ जाएगा हम कर लेंगे, but वो इसके लिए नहीं prepared होते कि easy आया तो, but easy आया, so see you are in your dream NLU now,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Right. So, and what was your strategy while preparing for CLAT 2025? How the teachers helped you out? What was your approach? सब आप बताइए.
Ma'am, I started my preparation in March 2024 and I was really excited. I remember the day when I was coming LPT for the very first time. I was really very excited. And then when I started, so English, legal and CR में मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, लाइक 9-10 गलत हो रहे हैं मॉक में, एंड स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा था. बट देन ग्रेजुअली all the teachers of LPT are fabulous. They all are fantastic. But am I allowed to be a bit partial?
Yes, yes. Students have their favorites. I know me myself being a student once. I know we have favorites. So go ahead.
Megha ma'am has throughout the journey has helped me. She has literally taken me from getting 10 wrong in CR section to getting 1 or 2 wrong in CR section. So whenever I used to, there was a point I remember, there was a 7-day series mocks. So in the very first mock, it was September, I got 58 marks and I was weeping throughout the day कि September आ गया, ये number आ रहे हैं. And then tomorrow, then the next day I went to Megha ma'am and I said, ma'am देखो 9-10 गलत हो गया. फिर ma'am sat with me for an hour or something. She explained me why this is wrong and why this is right. And she made me the kind of notes something कि ये देखो इसमें ऐसे करना होता है, इस क्वेश्चन की different approach होती है. So Megha ma'am has been like the pinnacle of CR for me.
Definitely. Now, when we mean कि हम आपको personal guidance देंगे, this is
Yes,
what
ma'am.
our students get here,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So you
Definitely,
got
most
that, and now
definitely.
you are here. राइट एंड रीजनिंग काफी ट्रिकी होता है। आई फील
हम्म।
इवन स्टूडेंट्स वर हैप्पी कि वीकनिंग जो हमें लगता था नहीं हो
हाँ।
रहा, वीकनिंग आया ही नहीं, तो दे वर सो ग्रेटफुल कि यार इतना मेहनत किया बट कोई नहीं आया तो और भी बेस्ट है इंस्टेड ऑफ
वीकली I was a little weakening and assumption, वो उन दोनों में से कुछ आया ही नहीं, so I was like ठीक है अब तो।
एंड आप लोगों की सीआर की तो इतनी प्रैक्टिस हो गई थी कि
हाँ।
आरसी एंड ऑल तो वो थे ही, अब जीके में भी आरसी आ गया, तो व्हाट वाज योर टेक ऑन जीके व्हेन यू गॉट टू नो अच्छा जीके में भी आरसी?
सबसे पहले तो मैम मुझे टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया, ठीक है, क्योंकि आई वॉज द वन हु यूज्ड टू लाइक, मेरे को एक एक क्लैट एक्सप्रेस रटी हुई थी, आई वुड से लाइक आई नो ऑन दिस पेज ऑन दिस सेक्शन इन दिस बॉक्स इट इज रिटन दिस, सो आई वॉज वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट क्लैट एक्सप्रेसेस इन क्लास नोट्स. I have learned them like by heart. You can still ask me anything and I'll be able to answer it.
So जब क्वेश्चन आया and since
हाँ.
there were few questions from our CLAT
हाँ.
Express, तो आपको क्लिक हो गया अच्छा
हाँ,
हाँ
ये तो and the questions were so easy. आधे तो पैसेज में से आ गए थे and I have known कि पिछले साल भी ये सब हुआ था, तो मैं सबसे पहले पैसेज पढ़ा कि अच्छा कि पैसेज में होंगे आंसर, आई मार्क देम, एंड जो क्लैट एक्सप्रेस में से थे वो तो ये तो आता ही है
ये
हाँ.
तो this is something that
Yeah.
we read daily.
एंड मोहित सर एंड जावेद सर जब भी उनकी क्लासेस होती थी तो वो हमेशा क्लास में आके रिवाइज करवाते थे. जावेद सर की पर्टिकुलर आदत है, सर पढ़ाते हैं एंड साथ साथ में रिलेटेड सब क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेते हैं, तो उससे बिल्कुल रिवीजन होता रहता था. एंड मोहित सर इन एवरी क्लास ही यूज्ड टू कम एंड आज द क्लैट एक्सप्रेस ऑफ द प्रीवियस मंथ, सो इससे इतनी अच्छे से क्लैट एक्सप्रेस और क्लास नोट्स याद थे कि जीके में तो आई वुडंट से कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई, क्योंकि जीके सच अ वास्ट सब्जेक्ट, यू कैन नेवर कंप्लीट इट. बट जितने भी मटेरियल्स दिए एलपीटी ने, they were all so good and so helpful that I was not very tensed about the GK portion.
Okay. So, and any particular strategy or approach that helped you in this, acing this exam that you want to share with other students?
Ma'am, a particular strategy, you see, CLAT doesn't have a defined syllabus, so there is no defined strategy. But one thing that really helped me was that I was very weak in this thing. I do not used to analyze my mocks at all. In the beginning, I do not used to analyze my mocks. I used to just कि ठीक है दे दिया अब तो घर जाओ सो जाओ. But then eventually when I started analyzing my mocks, I realized कि अच्छा मेरी ये गलती हो रही है, and I used to note them out on a paper or on a diary कि अच्छा मेरी ये गलती हो रही है and I have to improve it now. So then whenever I used to give the next mock, I used to go through that diary कि अच्छा ये गलती है आज ये नहीं करूँगी मैं.
Definitely, last
So that
year भी
helped me.
students ध्यान नहीं देते थे, इसलिए we came up with the mock diary thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So in order to ensure कि हर student को लाना है, लिखना है last mock में क्या किया, and that turns out वो आपके लिए ही beneficial था.
Yes, ma'am.
Students ऐसे ही overlook कर देते हैं the fact that हाँ mock दे दिया ना बस, analysis तो क्या ही है, but turns out analysis से you get to know a lot many things.
Yes,
right?
ma'am. And the videos of the analysis were regularly uploaded on the law preparatory portal itself. So they were also very helpful. You know कि अगर मैं घर पे बैठ के analyze कर रही हूँ, फिर मुझे एक doubt आया, I cannot go to the center every time. So I used to just open that video and see through it कि अच्छा ये तो हो
सब
गया.
वही solve
हाँ.
Plus these teachers are always there, so any which ways you can always
Yes, ma'am.
approach them.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And any last tip that you want to give students कि ये तो करना ही करना?
करना तो आई वुड देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स हु से कि 1 घंटा पढ़ाई कर लो स्टार्टिंग में. आई वुडंट एग्री विद देम. लाइक यू शुड एटलीस्ट स्टडी 3 to 4 hours बिगिनिंग में. उसके बाद में ग्रेजुअली इट कैन बी लाइक अप टू 6-7 hours you should study.
Now gradually it should be less of studying and more of practicing.
More of practicing and revising.
Brushing up your concepts. It should be more of
Yes,
that
ma'am.
way, right?
Many of my colleagues used to ask me कि आशिका तुझे जीके कैसे याद रहती है इतनी. So I used to tell them कि रोजाना you have to revise them. If you'll just read them once and keep it aside for a month, then you won't remember anything. You have to go through it daily.
जीके एक्चुअल में स्टूडेंट्स का इतना पेन पॉइंट है, उनको ये भी बता दिया गया है कि सिर्फ ये 2 ही सोर्सेज है. Still, they all sorts of students, but revision actually plays a very important role.
Yes, and also I have seen students they are googling everything that they're saying in CLAT Express, and फिर उसके अलग से नोट्स बना रहे हैं. विकिपीडिया पे जाएंगे, यहाँ पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पे जाएंगे, उसके अलग से नोट्स बना रहे हैं. Everything that is needed to be remembered is already written in the CLAT Express. You do not need to Google it anymore. But people, they have a habit of doing that. So it's a burden on themselves only. It doesn't help.
It's like you already have a consolidated book, so there's
Yes,
no
ma'am.
need of forget Google. You have CLAT Express.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
way to put it that way
Yeah.
correctly. Right. Yeah. Okay. So Yashika, I wish you all the best. Thank you for sharing your story with us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.